Hey guys, it's Gary. We're going to do a quick unboxing here. Got a box. There's a couple of them on the internet, but this is mine. And boom! The GoPro Hero 9 Black. So it comes in different packaging than what we've been used to. It has a nice little box. So the box says, I'm sorry if it's backward, you guys, but Hero 9, 20 megapixel, 5K 30, 4K 60, 33 feet waterproof, 20 megapixel. We said the 5K 33 voice control, 8 times slow motion, data overlays, time warp, 1080 live stream, super photo, raw, webcam, touchscreen, hyper smooth 3.0, GoPro app. Comes with the camera, battery, thumb screw, mount, slider, cable, and our nice little case. Pretty excited. So the little case is just kind of like the casey case. And inside here we got our USB cable, the battery. It's quite a bit bigger than the 8, almost double the size. Slider mount, thumb screw, the mount, the rest of the mount. Subscribe to GoPro, how to do it, have questions. And now for the camera. Pretty excited about this. So that's our 9. It is a little bigger, not a whole lot. I mean, you can tell it's bigger, but really, it's still negotiable. I think it's awesome. I like it. The battery mount. We put the battery in. Oh, the battery door actually, like, you push and it clicks in, so more of a sure lock. Got our foldable mounts like before. So that's our Hero 9 unboxing. We'll have more coming in the next day or so where we're actually using the camera to film. Thanks for watching. If you guys can, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, give a comment. If you'd like to see something specific with the 9, like I said, brand new, just got it today. And as always, thank you and God bless.